Hey, amazing teachers! Want to make storytelling even more engaging while pushing your students toward deeper comprehension and spontaneous speaking? Try the What's Missing exercise. It's simple. Tell a short, engaging story, but leave out a small detail. Maybe it's a key action, an object, or even an ending. Then challenge your students to figure out what's missing and why it matters. This keeps them hooked, gets them thinking critically, and encourages them to express their ideas in the target language. Best of all, it requires zero prep. Here's an easy way to try it out tomorrow. Start with a familiar story. Maybe La Libre y la Tortuga, the tortoise and the hare. Tell the story, but leave out the part where the hare takes a nap. Ask your students, wait, something's missing. Why didn't the tortoise win yet? Let them piece together the missing detail in full sentences. Need a variation? Show a short picture talk scene. Describe what's happening but omit a major element, maybe the main character's reaction. Then have the students guess, predict, and narrate what should be there. They're not just listening, they're actively building the story with you. This trick instantly deepens comprehension and gets students thinking in the target language without forcing memorization or scripted responses. Plus, it's flexible. You can use it with novels, classroom discussions, or even quick warm-ups. Ready to see how your CI skills measure up? Take the CI proficiency quiz at mm.us/CI quiz and find out how you can level up your teaching today.